month or so since we've shot some video of the space, but you can see things are really coming along. All the interior framing is complete. We have a ton of the electrical is roughed in, plumbing's roughed in, HVAC is all roughed in. So we're into the place now. We're about ready to move into insulation. And once we're done insulating, then we're on to drywalling, window install, that sort of thing. So let's hop in and do a full tour. Into our new mudroom here. So we've got some space. We'll probably do some benches and stuff here to take off your shoes, coats, that sort of thing. A little powder room here. Here we've got the new laundry room. Tons of awesome space in here. Side by side, washer, dryer, a little sink space, that sort of thing. And then a not very exciting utility closet. This space behind me is our new kitchen. So nice big island here. We've got this beautiful 3 bank of windows. On this back wall here, you can kind of see, got a little pony wall that's gone in, fridge will go here, and some ducting for our hood range and stuff like that. New window going in here as well to add some more light. And this kind of flows right on over into our living space. A brand new glulam beam is in here too to completely open up the space. We took out that big chunk of a load bearing wall there. So this section's all over here is all dining, and we framed this off for a downstairs master. And then stepping into here is our new master bath. So over here on the right, it's a nice standing glass shower with this sweet window in the shower. Really excited about that. Here is a standing tub for some soaking, and then we just pan around here. We've got kind of a double vanity here, side by side. So let's head down to the basement. We spent a lot of time lifting the house and putting a new foundation on it, and the result here is we have this awesome 9-foot high ceiling basement space down here. We've got some awesome space over here that'll probably end up being kind of like media space, that sort of thing. Storage space and stuff here. This is my new office over here. Nice full daylight window here to take a quick peek too. So I got some nice sun and stuff there. Stoked about that. Basement bathroom. So got a sink, toilet, and standing shower. And then we've got this awesome guest space here. So that's the basement. Same thing here. This will just be a nice metal open railing. Stairs as well. Fully open metal railing. So lots of light and natural space there. All right, this is the new upstairs. On this side here, we've got kind of like a reading room or nook. We've got a skylight that's going in up there. You can see some of the HVAC is getting roughed in now. To the left, we've got the upstairs bathroom. Shower on this side. Double vanity right there. Little play space room for the girls. Same thing here too, tossing the skylight, so we've got some nice exposure. And then we've got 2 bedrooms for the kids up here, so there's the last bedroom up here. Yeah, so we are cruising.